Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Rafi. In today we are going to learn how to make a Google account. So let's start video. Step 1. Open a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Step 2. Go to the Google account creation page by typing google.com in the address bar and hitting enter. Step 3. On the Google homepage, click on the Sign In button located in the top right corner. Step 4. On the Sign In page, click on the Create Account link below the login form. Step 5. You will be taken to the Create Your Google Account page. Fill in the required information in the provided fields, including first name and last name. Enter your legal first and last name. Step 6. Birthday, enter your date of birth. Gender, select your gender, optional. Step 7. Username, choose a unique username for your Google account. This will be your email address. If your desired username is not available, Google will suggest alternative options. Step 8. Password, create a strong password for your account. Make sure it includes a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance security. Confirm the password in the next field. Step 9. Provide your alternative email address or mobile phone number. This will be used for account recovery and security purposes. If you don't want to provide this information, you can click on the Skip button. Step 10. Read and review Google's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. If you agree to them, check the box next to I agree to the Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Step 11. Once your account is created, you'll be taken to the Google Welcome page. Here, you can set up your account preferences, such as adding a profile picture, personalizing your Google experience, and more. Congratulations! You've successfully created a Google account. You can now use this account to access various Google services like Gmail, Google Drive, Google Calendar, and more.